Good morning, students. Today's class we are going to learn the new topic is number conversion from chapter 2. The last class we have completed about the number system. What are the number system we have learned? Base binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, decimal number system. Yes, let us learn how to convert the numbers from decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Okay, the first conversion is what? Decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion means converting the decimal number to the binary. What is mean by decimal number? Yes, it is an 10 number. It is an what? 10. It is the base value. It is a 10 value. Okay, in this method the number is successfully divided by 2 and the remainder is recorded. So the final binary result is obtained by assembling all the remainders with the last remainder being the most significant bit. We have learned the positional values of the decimal system. No, which one is the most significant bit from the left side? Which one carries the number that hundreds or thousand? That is what? Most significant bit. The last, from the last side, left side, that bit is called as what? Least significant bit. Let us learn how to, let us solve the problem, the conversion of decimal to binary. See the example 11. Number 11, it is a what? It is a decimal number. Now we are going to convert decimal to binary. What is that? 11? It is a what? Decimal number, and base value here it is a 10. Okay. First you have to divide the number by 2. What is the value? 5 2s are 10. Remainder it is a 1. Okay. You have to write the remainder in the left side. Next again you have to divide the number by 2. So what is that value? 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again you have to divide the number by 2. 2 2s are 1. So what is the value? Remainder 0. Here what is the value of 1? It is a what? 0. Here the remainder is what? 1. Okay. So this is the way you have to write the binary conversions from the last. What is the value of last? 1 0 1 1. So this is the binary value of the decimal number 11. Okay, so how you can convert the decimal to binary? You have to divide the number by 2 and you have to record the remainder by each step. Okay, after that you have to write the numbers from the binary conversion. Okay, the next one is converting the fractional numbers from fractional of decimal to the binary number. Converting fractional of decimal to the binary number. You know that, yes, fraction part means what? It is a decimal number. It is like an ABC dot XYZ. It is a decimal point number. Okay, that ABC represented as an repeated division, then fractional part represented as an repeated multiplications. What we did before, yes, before the decimal point, that in decimal number it can be divided by repeated division. Okay, after the decimal point, that fractional part, it can be divided by repeated multiplications. Let us see the example of this. 5.35 5.35 it is an fractional part. Yes, 5 is using to divide repeated, using to divide repeated additions. Okay, let us see that. What is our example? Value it is a what? 5.35. So you have to divide the number 5 by 2 and you have to record the remainder. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. 2 2s are 1, remainder 0. 1 divided by 2 is the what? 0. The remainder is 1. Okay. So what is the value? 101. 5. Decimal value what? 101. So what is the fractional part? 0.35. 0.35, the fractional part, you have to multiply the number by 2. 0.35 into 2. Okay, here what is the value of that decimal? It is a what? 0. Here again 0.70. 70 want to multiply by 2. What is the value? 1.4. What is that? Remainder it is a 1. Here you have to multiply 0.40 because remainder is 1. It is 0.40 by 2. What is the value? 0.80. Here what is the remainder? It is a 0. Now you have to multiply 0.80 into 2. What is value? 1.6. It is an 1. Okay, so what is the result of this? 1. Here you have to write the number from top to bottom. You have to write the number from top to bottom. That what? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so now what is the result of 5.35 decimal number? The binary number, it is what? 101.0101. The base value, it is a what value? Number 2. Okay, then next we will see one more example, then you can understand clearly this concept of converting the fractional part of decimal number into the binary. Okay, so what is the example of the number is 4.812y. What is our whole part? Integer part is what? 4. Then fractional part is what? 0.8125. Okay, here keep it in your mind that integer value have to divide out by 2. It is an repeated additions. The fractional part, it is multiplied by 2. It is an repeated multiplications. So 4 here, number 2, 4 is divided by 2. What is the remainder value? 0. Here 2 is divided by 2. What is the remainder value? 0. After that 1 divided by 2, it is a what? 0. The remainder value 1. So what is the value of this fractional part, integer part of 4? 100. Okay, the next one is 0.85 into 2. 0.85 into 2. Now you are getting the result 1.625. You have to take that decimal part of this 0.625. The remainder what is what? 1. Okay. Next, what is the result of 0.625? 1.250. Here what is the value of this remainder? 1, and you have to multiply 0.250 with 2. 0.5. What is the result? 0. Okay, again you have to multiply this 0.5 into 2. You will get the answer what? 1. Okay, you will get the answer. It is a what? 1. The remainder it is a what? 0. Here what is the value you are getting? 0. So when the number is repeated again, you will stop the process here. Okay, up to the 1.0 you have to multiply the number by 2. Now what is the result of the fractional part? 11012. Decimal part is what? 100. Okay. The next conversion is what? Binary to decimal conversion. The next one is what? Binary to decimal conversion. What is the value of the binary base value? It is a what? Binary base value it is a what? 2. Binary base value it is a number 2. Okay. Now we are going to convert the binary number 11011 to the decimal number. What is our number? 11011. What is the process here? I said no. From 1 into, you have to take the number from the least significant bit, the first number. What is the first number? 1. 1 into 2 power of 0. Because we are converting the decimal. So decimal base value is a what? 2. So 2 power 0. 1 into 2 power 0. What is the value of 2 power 0? Anything power 0, that is a value. It is a 1. Okay. The next 1 into 2 power 1. 2 power 1, it is a what is the value? 2. So equal to 2. The next value is a what? 0. Next 2 power 2. What is the value of 0 into 4? 0. 1 into 2 power 3. 1 into 2 power 4. Finally, you have to add the result of this number. What is the value? 27. After that, you have to write the base value. Decimal base value what? It is a 10. This is the way you have to convert the binary number to the decimal conversion. From the last bit you have to take the, whether it is a 1 into 2 power 0. You have to start the value 2 power 0. Okay. The next one method is, second method is The second method is what? Double method. That means convert the binary number 11011 to the decimal number using this method. Okay. First you have to copy the leftmost bit. What is the leftmost bit here? It is a 1. Okay. After that you have to multiply the number by 2. What is our leftmost bit? 1. How to multiply the number by 2, and you have to add the next bit. This after the leftmost bit, what is the next bit? 1. You have to add the number. What is the result? 3. Again you have to take the 3 and you have to multiply the number 2. What is the leftmost bit of the second number? 0. What is the value here? 6. Okay. The next you have to take the 6 value, multiply by 2. After the 0, what is the next decimal number? 1. You have to add the number. The next, what is the next bit? 13 into 2. What is the next bit here? 1. So you have to add the number. What is the result is? 27. This is also one method to calculate the convert the binary number into decimal number. This is the result of the binary number. So when you are writing the result, you have to write the base value also. Okay. The next one is converting fractional part. The next one, converting fractional part of binary number into decimal. This is our binary number 110.101. Which one is an fractional part? 101. It is an fractional part. That means what? 0.101. Which one is a decimal? 110. You know that how to convert this decimal, that binary whole part. First one you have to take the leftmost bit is a what? 0. That is 2 power 0. Next bit is what? 1. 1 into 2 power 1. Next bit is what? 1. 1 into 2 power 2. So you have to find the result. Finally you have to add it. What is the decimal value of binary number 110? Number 6. Now we want to convert that fractional part. What is our fractional part? 0.101. Here first you have to take that bit of that left 1 into, you have to take the fractional part. We have learned no, the after the decimal point the number will start from 2 power minus 1. The next will continue 2 power minus 2. That is what? 1 by 2. After that 0 into 1 by 2, 2. The next one is 1 into 1 by 2, 3. Okay. So 1 by 2 means what is the value? 0.5. 1 by 2 power of 2, 0.25. 1 by 2 power of 3, 0.125. Finally you will get the result of this. What is the result? 0.625. Now you can add this number of 6 plus 0.625. You will get the answer 6.625. It is the decimal number of the binary number. By binary fractional part, it is the decimal number. It is a what? 6.625. Are you clear? So the binary value after the decimal point, it will start the value. It is a what? 2 power minus 1. So what we have completed today, we have completed, that is what? Decimal to binary conversion. How we can convert the number decimal to binary? How to divide the decimal number by 2. Decimal number by 2, you have to record the remainder and you have to keep answer as in what? Most significant bit. The last remainder from the being, it is about most significant bit. Okay. The next one is converting fraction from decimal to binary number. Fractional part. Fractional part, you have to multiply the number by 2. You have to multiply the number by 2. Okay. The whole part you have to divide the number by 2. You have to record the remainder. In the fraction part, you have to store the number result as an to the most significant bit. Here top to bottom, it is a least significant bit. The next one is binary to decimal conversion. What is the value of binary base value? It is a number 2. How to convert the binary to decimal conversion? From the least significant bit, you have to start the value 2 power 0. The next you have to start the value what? 2 power 1 and the bit into 2 power 0. Here the bit into 2 power 1, bit into 2 power 2. After the decimal point, it will start the value to say what? 2 power minus 1. This is also one method to calculate the binary number into decimal number. First you have to copy the leftmost bit and you have to multiply the number leftmost bit by 2 and you have to add the second number. So this will continue until the last number of the binary bit. Finally you will get the result. Converting fractional part of the binary number. Converting fractional part of the binary number. The same method what you have completed in that first whole part, you have to multiply the number bit into 2 power 0 from the least significant bit. From the least significant bit. Next bit is 2 point minus 2 power 1. Next one is 2 power 2. That fractional part, we have to start the value to what? 2 power minus 1. Next 2 power minus 2. Thank you students. We will see in the next class with the next conversion, octal conversion and hexadecimal conversion. Thank you students.